Namaste friends, Krishna here. Welcome back to Mysore School of Aromatherapy. Today's topic is difference between vetiver and khus. It is a bit confusing, and again questions are natural to arise that what is vetiver, what is khus and what is vetiver. So let me clarify you. Khus traditionally what we call it is distilled from the wild vetiver plant and in copper pot. So khus means which is wild vetiver but green in color because it is distilled in copper pot. Then vetiver is cultivated vetiver. It means you cannot get it from wild, you don't have permission, you are cultivating it in the farm and then you are distilling it. Because it is distilled in stainless steel, not in copper, so the color is brown to reddish brown color. Okay, and vetiver, this word it is same because in South Indian we call it as vetiver. So vetiver and vetiver they mean same. So the basic difference you to understand between khus and vetiver. One is green in color and khus is green in color, khus has to be wild, khus has to be distilled in copper, and khus is almost double or maybe double expensive than normal vetiver, and it also has a sweet note and very soft, very effective for perfume and for therapy also. Whereas vetiver, which is cultivated vetiver, it is cultivated, it is reddish brown in color, thickness may vary, and it is distilled in stainless steel pot. Yes, of course, there are few old or those who have old distillation unit, they distill it in iron also. So, but still, we refer that stainless steel is the standard distillation protocol which follow in the field of distillation. So this is the difference. And the aroma wise, as I said, vetiver aroma is little more heavier than khus aroma. Khus is soft, feminine, more near to perfumery, and even it is that because it has that sweetness, so you may feel that wow, I want to eat it, I want to use it in flavor. Here I have this sample of khus. It is fresh sample, so it is not mature that much. And why I want to talk about that? Of course, oil is very okay. Fresh means because the shelf life of vetiver is more than 5 years. Even you keep it for 10 years, it's very okay. So the same vetiver, same khus. So the khus which you see after 1 year, it will mature and it will give you more sweeter note. So I hope it helps you to understand the basic difference between khus and vetiver, and of course vetiver also. Please feel free to ask questions. Thank you. Namaste.